What up, YouTube? It's early in the morning. Getting ready to head down to All American Cycles. Get there stage 2. My bike is almost, I think I'm almost at 20,000 miles, somewhere in that area. But I'm going to head down to All American Cycles. I'm going to stop and see my man George and have him see if there's any adjustments he needs to make to the music. But so far the music has been holding up fine. You know, George, every time I go down to South Florida, I always just go and stop by his place and make some adjustments. Then I'm going to stop by the other George, and we're going to talk about what upgrades we can do to the ST. So stay tuned, and I'll check in along the way. All right. up, guys and gals? Well, I'm on my way to where am I on my way to? All American Cycles. There we go. So I stopped over here on the side just to take a quick little break. It's like a little 4-hour ride from where I am. You see my girl right here, looking nice. But I'm gonna see what we can get done at All American Cycles. Talk to George and see what's up. Then I'm also gonna make a stop over at Sidewalk Customs and see what they got going on. But I know I'm gonna switch out this exhaust. So before I switch it out, let's just do a start. Don't mind the old man. To how it sounds. So I'm gonna put up the GoPro and get back on the road. Yeah, that. What's his name? Anthony.
Yeah, he YouTube guy.
Do Works guy.
Yeah, exactly him. Look, it's right up. He probably ain't put it on. Yeah,
Oh,
right
he put it on there.
Yeah, do work. Yeah.
That's funny. I just saw a video where he was where he showed him switching out the wheels.
Hey,
This shit is nice.
You know, we were just talking. He was like, "Yeah, oh the guy, the video, the do work," and I'm like, "Yeah, that's him."
Yeah, it's him.
So he just seen him doing something to the bike.
Yeah. We did all that.
That
We
is
did all that.
But yeah, I saw him when he did the wheels because he just put a video on it. And I was like, oh shit.
That's
That's
it.
funny.
Yeah, he goes.
Just got it.
Ain't that
Brought it
crazy?
from
You saw it
Michigan.
on TV.
So we haven't been pulled over yet. Because the tags are all legit.
Olens. Nice.
We'll take it to the condo. There's no fender on it. Get the fender in the truck.
We still have to hang it out here and put it back together here.
Okay.
He said, "Y'all got all the stuff y'all need."
Yeah, he does.
I got all. I brought
We
my
do too,
tools with me
but
too.
He said you bought your tools just in case, right?
I got enough parts to rebuild that whole bike in the trailer if I
So
heard
you're gonna have
it.
your
That's
back
it.
or
All right.
something?
I hear you.
Move the van right now. Bang.
Yeah, I brought a whole new transmission, everything.
Everything.
Yeah, we brought a spare trans. But he rode the bike. Our roads are pure salt. Like you could ride up A1A here all day long, right?
Yeah,
no
without a problem. Without a problem.
In Michigan, if I go 1 mile from my house, I got salt everywhere.
That salt and that salt will eat everything
it's got
up.
calcium chloride in it.
Yep.
This is a George air cleaner.
The DW.
He had this air cleaner powder coated gloss.
Gloss.
Gloss, yeah.
Yeah, that's
and then
nice.
you got gold inside of it. See the gold inside?
That's nice.
Yeah.
He did your bike too?
That is my wife's. That's
Oh, okay.
his mama. He's my son.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
that's my bike in there.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So George did this bike, your wife's
So
bike,
we have
or
a
just
builder.
yours?
We have a builder
Mhm.
that put a cam in my wife's bike, and then did Anthony's bike, and then we bring him to George to tune.
To tune,
Because
okay.
my wife's not going to get E85, but he's already on E85.
Yeah.
So George, nobody in Michigan can tune like that. So we bring it to George. We're coming down for Daytona anyway, so.
Okay. You guys doing any racing or just?
Maybe a little bit here and there. We brought a few fast bikes with us staying
Ain't
with us.
nobody gonna have
so.
a bike look like that riding around.
There's a yeah, we
like
got
that?
We got one. They're all air ride too.
The air
got two
riders.
air ride bikes coming.
No, I'm talking about that look like his.
They look pretty good. They got carbon fiber wheels on them. They got
Y'all must be, I'm saying, but y'all know them, right?
yeah, they were staying with us in the condo.
Oh, okay.
They're on their way down right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they're both on air ride. 3 of them on air ride. But
Yeah,
air
this is-
ride.
this is nice.
He even changed the swing on it.
This is nice.
See the gold in the middle.
From change the chain.